Okay, so what I said is I had some good news and I had some bad news. Bad news is, no, we always go with the bad news so we can go with the good news. The bad news is we're done with force and magnets. It's the end of the world, I know. It's been 4 weeks. We're on our 4th week of school already. The good news is that we're moving on in science and we're going to start talking about the skeletal and muscular systems.
Let's go.
So, what I'm going to ask everybody to do right now is you're opening up your notebooks to a brand new page. And what I would like for you to do is I want you to take your notebook and I want you to turn it sideways. Okay? And I'm going to actually do it this side because it's easier for me. And we are going to split our paper into thirds, which means I'm going to have 3 equal pieces. So I'm going to draw a line here. I'm going to draw as best as equal as you can get. Mine are not quite that equal, but okay. So I drew red lines there. I'm going to go over it, I think, in blue. How about I go over in pink? Because this is thicker.
You want me to take the lights off?
Yes, please.
Yeah.
Okay? So what we are going to do, boys and girls, is we are going to create what is known as a KWL chart. Okay? Hold on. So we're going to put K in this column, W in this column, and L in this column. Today, we are going to pay attention to the K and the W. Okay? I don't want us to pay attention to anything else but the K and the W.
And no L?
We will pay attention to the L when we are done. Has anyone ever created a KWL chart before?
No.
Oh, yay! Here we go. The K stands for what I know. So, if you think about it, and I say, okay, boys and girls, we are going to create a KWL chart for the skeletal system. Anything that you already know about the skeletal system, you're going to put here. Okay? Don't start yet, though. The W stands for want to know. Here, I want you to create a list of questions that you want to know about the skeletal system. So maybe you're like, I know that the skeletal system deals with the bones in the body. Maybe I want to know how many bones are in the body. So what I would do is under the know, I'm going to put bones. Under the want to know, how many bones? Are there? Okay? Then, when we finish with our skeletal system, the L stands for learned.
Oh.
So, under learned, this is at the end of the unit. This is all the information that I learned. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to set the timer for about 5 minutes. Okay? You can fill out the K and the W part of your skeletal system on your KWL chart. After those 5 minutes, it's going to stop, and then we're going to come together and we're going to create a list of what we want to know together as a class. Okay? Are there any questions?
What's the skeletal system?
I just gave you a hint with it. Yes.
I'm pretty sure it's for being bones.
I already just gave us a hint with that. Right? So, with that being said, I'm going to start the timer. 5 minutes. Ready?